Hey guys, so what's going on? So as you can tell by this title of this video, this is going to be boyfriend does my makeup voiceover. So I'm just going to jump right into this video. I'm going to be doing my makeup, and Javon's going to be he's going to explain everything I'm doing basically. Okay, so yeah guys, let's jump straight into this video.
Alright guys, man, as you guys see by the intro that Siobhan did, man, I'm doing a voiceover of what she's doing on her makeup. This should be very, very, very interesting because your boy don't know nothing about makeup. When I say nothing, absolutely nothing. So don't expect any. I don't know guys, but she wants to do this video, so I said I agree with it. I'm like, okay, but hey, guys, don't troll me in the comments now, guys, because I don't know none of this. But we're gonna get into this video though, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try my very, 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 very best. Very, very best. I'm gonna try my best, guys. Let's see, man. Let's see what she got going on right here. So I see that she already did a little intro. Let's skip on to where she start doing the makeup, which is right here. By the way, thank you guys for tuning into this video, man. Make sure to like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Javon speaking. Doing a little voiceover here. You know what I'm saying? On this beautiful Tuesday afternoon. What you guys doing today? I'm doing fine. Man. Appreciate you guys for asking, man. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay. What is that she's showing us, guys? Milk? What is that for? But I don't know why I just want to say lip gloss, but I don't think that's for lip gloss. That look like something that, I guess, to moisturize your face. So let's see. I don't think that's a lip gloss. Yeah, see, I knew. I don't think that was a lip gloss, guys. I was gonna troll myself right there. Okay, so I'm guessing she should go put that on her face to rub it in, blend it in, you know what I'm saying, to make her, I don't know why she did that. I'm assuming to make her face feel soft, or I guess to make the foundation and the whatever go on her face more easier. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. What was that? I didn't get to see what was that, but what was that? Okay, she got a little brush right here. Okay. See what's going on right here. Let's see what's going on right here. Okay. Oh, she's really rubbing it. Wait. Oh, the stuff that she just showed just now before I was still talking about the first thing. I didn't even get to see what she showed. But I guess whatever, I don't know if that was a foundation or what. I don't know, but whatever it was, she's just blending it in over her eyes, under her eyes. As you guys can see, it's slowly changing colors right there. It's changing color right there. You know what I'm saying? Taking all of those black spots and stuff like that. Babe, don't feel no way. I'm just letting the guys know what you're doing, as you say. All right, look like she's fixing the eyebrows now. Fixing the eyebrows, lifting them up. I don't know why, but okay. We're gonna see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. I'm getting somewhere. Okay. What's this? A pencil? Oh, it's another brush. Man, how many brushes you got, girl? That girl's got like. That girl got more brushes than I got for shoes. Oh, she broke it. Wait, that's another brush? That's the same brush. The tip of that look big, kind of, but okay. She gonna do is them brushes. I'm guessing is just gonna use them for under her eyebrows or what? I'm assuming. So what is this? Is this what y'all call foundation? I don't know. We gonna see. I can't really see that. Okay, I can see it now. Okay, what's no, babe, you come too close to the camera now, babe. Man, I can't see that, man. We can't see that. Sight now, man. I love you, babe. I love you, baby. All right, let's see. Okay, she dipping it in. She's getting the paint out. She's finna rub the paint on the face. Okay, what's that do? What I do? Okay, I see what she's doing now. She's making her eyebrows more darker. Okay, she's making her so all them little space you seen in the eyebrows right there, she's making them all that darker, if that makes sense. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm assuming. You know what I'm saying? Okay, okay, I didn't expect that. She speed it up. I didn't expect that. Okay, she's still speeding it up. Okay. Okay. She doing the other side now. Okay, we're getting somewhere. That look pretty neat right there. Look pretty nice. We're getting somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Eyeballs on fleek. I'm on fleek. I'm sorry. Fleek. We're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. Cause she's make sure she's okay. She got something here. What is this? I don't know what is this, but is this? I'm just gonna call everything all these makeup whatever stuff foundation, because I don't know what. I know y'all always buy foundation for y'all stuff. I don't know what foundation is really is. I assume this is foundation. I don't know. I'm just call all them foundation. Put it like that. All right, all gonna be foundation. All right. So I saw she rub some on my hand that she gonna put it underneath. See what's going on right here. What's going on right here? Okay, girl. You're looking cute. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, she blending it in. You guys can see slowly changing colors, man. She gonna turn into the same color of her own skin. Okay, let's see what's going on. She's doing the other side right now. Girl, you got some big. Oh, I'm sorry for that. If you guys hear that, got some big eyes, girl. Doing the other side right now. Okay, she's speeding it up. As you guys see, she's what I think she's doing right here. She just basically put in. As I said, I'm gonna call all this stuff she put in her face, foundation, creams, whatever it's called. I don't know. She putting all that on her. As you guys see, she's using the same color as her own skin to blend it in. So some of y'all girls who already got white face and got black feet and stuff, black bodies and whatever, but guys get the same makeup that matches your skin color. Okay, alrighty. Where we at? Okay, so as you guys, she's doing the same thing pretty much as she's done the top. She's doing underneath the bottom part right now, same color as her skin color, as her own skin. So I'm guessing she's gonna get a brush, or no, or she's not. What is this? What is she doing right here? What is that? I don't know what is that. Guys, what is that? What I do? Man, I don't know what I do. What shade? What I say? Shape? I ain't flat. I don't know. Go roll over one more time. Man, I ain't get to see what it says. So what this do? I don't know what this do, guys. Cause she already put a makeup, whatever thing already on her face, and she rubbing the same thing. Why you doing it twice? Why you just use the first thing? You know, I don't know, girl. You're not cute, girl. There's the brush. I know the brush was coming up soon, so I'm guessing on this part she's gonna go ahead and blend it in. You know what I'm saying? You gonna see. She's gonna blend into her own skin color. You're gonna see a big difference right here in a couple seconds. You guys see that? Look at that. It's crazy. Oh, makeup can change a person's life, bro. Like, damn. That's crazy. Still blending it in. Wow, look at that. So guys, before she start putting on the makeup, you see all the little, I'm not making fun of her, but you see all of the marks on her face, black marks. You see it slowly going away. You know what I'm saying? So, not that I recommend makeup, because, babe, you don't need makeup. You already cute as you is. Okay? Alright, what you got going on right here? I didn't see what you just did, guys. I'm sorry about that. I didn't see what you just did, so I'm assuming she's putting something on her face. I don't know what it is. Some powder or something. She's putting something on her face right here. She's just blended it in. I'm guessing it's making it more lighter. That makes sense. I don't know. Look like you got two different colors. I don't know, guys. Okay. So you gotta make sure it's getting in there real good, man. You hear that, guys? Get it in there real good. In there, yeah. Look left, right. Look in the big mirror. Make sure it's all right. Okay, what is this now? What is this now? Man, I don't know. What? Wait, what? Sleep Beauty. I'm guessing it was in that bag or something. I don't know. I don't know what they say. Okay, what's she gonna do with it? Where's she gonna put that at? I don't know where she gonna put it at. She putting that for the part that she didn't blend in yet. Why does this look like it's a different color to me? I'm tripping. I don't know. This looks like it's a dark. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm lost right now. I'm just go along with the flow though, guys. If you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe. I know I'm not doing a good job on this voiceover makeup because I don't know nothing about makeup, but right now she's gonna blend it in. See, guys, it look like she used a different color. I mean, it's still a darker color, but it's still blending to look the same. I don't know. Something we don't know. I don't know right here, man. Y'all guys were tricky with this makeup stuff. Y'all, man. Matter of fact, makeup is a cheat code. Makeup is a cheat code, man. You make other person look like she's a millionaire, for real. She couldn't get anybody on the street. Not you, babe. Not you. You are off limits, shorty. Alright. As you guys see, she's still blending it in. You gotta make sure it's blending real good, man. Get all the spots. You don't want to leave no spots out. As you guys see, she did under her neck too. Like, not really put anything on her neck, but she just used the brush. Spray it around. Okay, what you doing right now? She's getting the edges of the eyebrows, I think. No? Yeah? I don't know. Okay, she's redoing the eyebrows. I guess that's tracing it over again. If she's just blending it in or making it darker, lighter. I don't know why she's doing that for, guys. Let me know in the comments below. I don't know what that means. Okay, what next, baby girl? What next? What do we got next? What's next? I don't know what kind of brush. I don't know what she's doing. Lifting it up. I conceal it. Oh, I see. It's kind of like spacing it out. Is it? I don't know. Something we don't know right there. I'm gonna let that one slide for now. I don't know what she's doing right there. All right. Ooh. She got another. God damn! How many brushes she got? Damn! She got like 10 different brushes. She got small, medium, and large. God damn! What's this? Pop? I ain't get to read other stuff. What was that? What it do? Okay. So right now I'm gonna take a look at guess. I'm guessing she's gonna put this either on her eyebrows, under her eyebrows, or top of her eyebrows. No, not top of the eyebrows, but on top of the eye, above the eye right there. I don't know where she's gonna put this. Where's she gonna put this at? Underneath the eye. Where's she gonna put it at? Oh, as you guys see, she's showing it match her color, kinda. She just said, make the face and be like, yeah, kinda. Okay, so she's. I was kinda right. She's putting it under her eyebrows. I'm guessing gonna give it more little light. I'm assuming it's gonna give it more light. As you guys see, it's making a little different lights right there. Getting lighter right there, kinda. You guys, so basically, guys, she just did the makeup. I know she did the majority of the makeup already. I'm assuming she's coming to an end part really soon. She's just doing the light parts. I ain't said the lips yet. Or the eyelashes. I know y'all always do eyelashes for real. They're them big ass hair on y'all face. I know y'all I be crying. Alright, what we got next, baby girl? What we got next? Okay, she's still doing the same thing. Okay, so I'm guessing she used the same thing for under her eyebrows, and then she used the same thing for the tip of her lips, top lips. Kissing me? Aw. Let me catch you real quick. Alright, what she got next going on here? What is this? As you guys said, I'm gonna call all this stuff foundation, so I'm guessing she's got another foundation. I don't know. What is this? What she gonna do that? What she gonna do that? Man, this is another brush. Oh my god. Oh, you're killing me. How many brushes you got, girl? My God. I don't know how much all this makeup stuff costs. Okay, so basically she's using a different brush, just blend it in. I'm assuming she's just blending it in, make sure everything is in spot, perfect, staying where they at. It's always good. I'm guessing it's always good to go over your face, man. Make sure the makeup is staying, everything is in contact before you go in public. Stuff like that. Wait. Oh, she did show another powder. So she's putting another powder on her face. I'm guessing this powder make your face more lighter, more brighter. I'm guessing. I don't know. Professional makeup. What is this? Is this a marker? A black marker? I don't know what is this for. Girl, we see it. Okay, yeah, I figured. I knew it was a marker. Not really a marker, but a pencil kind of. Okay. So right now, guys, I'm assuming she's just doing the edges part. So once you got the outside part right there on the top right, then she's gonna blend it in the middle part right there. That's what I'm assuming that she's gonna do. Cause I'm pretty sure she's not gonna leave it like that. You see, she was only doing the top part. So in that middle part right there, where both lips touch together, she's gonna just fade it in. But I mean, she's gonna shade that in. That's what I'm assuming she's gonna do right now. Let's see. I don't know. See, I knew it. I knew it. That's one. I knew it, man. Give me a thumbs up in the comments for that, man. I knew I was right. I knew I was right. See, she's just gonna shade it in. She's gonna shade it in. Oh, she's not gonna shade the whole thing. I mean, I still look cute. Hey. Alright, man. How many? What is this now? I don't know what this for. What is this? Man, how many stuff you gonna put in your face? You put like 10 different, like you use like 10 different brush, 10 different powder. Damn. What is this? That's lipstick? Yeah, that's lipstick. Yeah, lipstick. It tastes good, huh? You're really looking like you're hungry. Okay. Okay, you're still hungry. God damn, girl. Why ain't get some food? You're really licking your lips. Alright, I'm guessing she just makes sure it's sticking. She just rubbing it in with her lips, make sure it's sticking. What we got here next, shorty? What we got here next? What is this? This looks pretty nice. This is a nice little thing right here. What's this for? I'm guessing this is for the eyelash. I'm assuming this is for the eyelash. Yeah, this is for the eyelash. I knew it. So right now, guys, she's just basically lifting her eyelashes up. I'm guessing to make it more seeable, so people can see from a distance. I don't know. And then while she's lifting it up, she's kind of like going over it with some black marker-ish ink kind of thing, whatever you call that. Excuse me. Okay, let's see what's going. She's still doing the same thing as she did in the first part. Alright, guys, she should be coming close to the end of this video, man. She should be coming close to the end of this video, because to me this look really good, perfect. This is a good she did a good job so far. So she should be coming pretty close to this makeup tutorial, or not really tutorial, makeup voiceover. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, man, comment, let me know if I did a good job.
Sorry guys, my camera just shut off, but I'm practically done. I just have to spray my face, and the item that I'm gonna use to spray my face is Mario Badescu, but this is what I'm gonna use to spray my face. So yeah. Thank you all for tuning in to this makeup talk through voiceover video that my boyfriend is gonna do. So yeah, guys, without further ado, this is the finished product. Yeah, plain. It's something plain, simple. It works for me. I'm going to end this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to see more videos of us. And yeah, guys, live your life to the fullest, because you only get one. Okay. All right, love you guys. Joanne loves you also. So yeah.